Hereby. It's not magic, it's very simple, it's dog training. Yes.
This four-legged friend could be the difference between life and death when an asthma attack hits without any warning.
We can use the behavior that the child will exhibit, maybe wheezing or or gasping for air. Quite often, it's a very successful outcome because we can train these dogs to react in a specific way.
Julie Case from Ultimate Canine has worked with service dogs for more than 2 decades. She says asthmatic service dogs are still, for the most part, unknown, but are gaining in popularity, especially among kids.
People sometimes think, we can train these dogs to fix the disease. It's not the case. It's just an extra set of eyes and ears.
Trainings begin the moment a dog is born, and they're taught to notice changes in their owner's breathing. They can even be customized to meet specific needs.
We can also specifically train the dog to lie down on the child and calm him down. So in the moment of that asthma attack, not only he already alerted the parent, he's also holding the child down, calming him down.
Service dogs are also put through scenarios like this one to ensure they won't be distracted by other people, things, or loud noises.
These things should be normally scary to the dog. Umbrella, stroller, skateboard, walker. The dog must learn to focus on the handler and not on his own safety.
A typical training takes about a year and can set you back anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000. But Case says it's a lifeline that so many can't put a price tag on.
These dogs literally save lives. There's no possible way some of these people could continue on having, normal life without the dog.
Julie started her own business, Ultimate Canine, in Westfield.
We train dogs anything from basic obedience, family pets, to service animals, therapy dogs, police dogs. Thomas, halt!
Recently, she started training autism service dogs to assist autistic children.
Liam, can I get a hug?
We're looking in on a training session with Thomas, a 1-year-old chocolate lab. Thomas was united with 4-year-old Liam just 2 months ago to help his parents manage some of his behaviors.
His problem is kind of the sensory overload issues that a lot of children on the spectrum have.
Often tethered to Liam, so far, Liam's dad tells us Thomas is making a difference.
A whole lot easier for us to go out in public now. I don't have to watch Liam as much as I used to.
We've discovered that having a service dog for an autistic child is very helpful, just giving a extra set of eyes and ears for parents and then comforting the child. We also teach the dog to be more of a safety tool.
That was the case with Sunny, autism assistance dog to 7-year-old TJ. TJ got away from his parents and was almost hit by 2 cars.
Completely a shocker to us, a realization that we needed to do something to keep him safe. Go get him!
Sunny has been trained to get in front of TJ, physically stopping him in his tracks should he wander too far.
Just that few seconds of him getting in front of TJ and TJ kind of stopping lets us have time to get there. We're still running after him, but Sunny's definitely a big help.
Halt! A boy and his dog, yes, it's your puppy. And if he breaks, then you sedni zustan, okay? So go ahead.
Julie Case grew up in a dog trainer family. She's been one herself for 21 years. And this doggy diva does something not every dog trainer can.
Молодец. Сидеть. Дай лапу. Дай лапу. Молодец. Хорошо.
She trains dogs in several languages.
We usually use, probably about a dozen different languages that we use for dog training. На место. We train dogs in German, Czech, Slovak, Russian, Dutch, French. Молодец.
Julie is training this puppy in Russian to be a service dog for a family in Pennsylvania.
Some dogs we specifically train in different language, like police dogs or service dogs, so people cannot activate the dog accidentally, or the dog wouldn't be getting distracted by people in public giving commands. Zustan!
3-year-old German Shepherd Jax is an example. He's trained in 3 languages as a post-traumatic stress disorder service dog to Julie, who lives with PTSD.
I wasn't able to go out in public places. I had a lot of triggers, and I just would stay in the house.
Jack knows 48 commands in different languages. Commands and comfort that Julie says have changed her life.
When he knows I'm feeling uneasy or, I'm starting to have an anxiety attack, he'll surround me or lean up against me. If somebody comes up too close to me and I don't like it, he'll get between me and that person. If a crowd gets around me, like too many people, because crowds can make triggers, he'll start circling me like that. He knows. He knows.
That's a good job. Good job. Yeah.